Hello, everyone, and welcome to Chicago. I am thrilled to welcome the attendees of Automate 2024, North America's premier robotics and automation trade show. As mayor of Chicago, I am proud to see Automate return to our city after a 5-year hiatus, reaffirming our city's position as a global leader in automation and innovation. From the Women's Empowerment Forum to the Student Day to Innovation Awards, this year's event offers a myriad of opportunities to explore the latest advancements in automation and robotics. Chicago's diverse talent pool, world-class infrastructure, and vibrant cultural offerings make us the perfect hosts for Automate. I invite you to explore our city, experience our hospitality, and be inspired by our spirit of innovation. I wish you a productive and rewarding experience as you spend time in the greatest city in the world, the city of Chicago. Thank you.